Hello YouTube, Chase.Actual here. In this video we're going to look at installing third-party APIs and libraries to use in our Xcode projects. And to do this we're going to be using the CocoaPods method. If you don't already have CocoaPods installed, I have a video on that on my channel. Be sure to check that out before going any further. Alright, so I have two windows open here. One with an Xcode basic project. All I've done is just create a basic project and then I open the folder, and over here we have a console menu with just our basic terminal. So to start off we're going to go into our project directory. So I'm just going to type cd and then drag this folder over here. Okay, and now we need to create a pod file. So to do that we're going to type pod init, hit enter, and we'll give it a second and we'll see a pod file pop up over here to our right. There it is. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. Default wise you can just use a simple text editor. Okay, so now that we have this open, the first thing we're going to do is uncomment this platform line to let it know that we are using iOS. And secondly, we're going to go ahead and copy or cut this use frameworks out of our target and put it as a global. Alright, lastly we'll go ahead and remove these comments, and this is where we will type our pods to enter. So I'm just going to go ahead and install the Google Maps library so that we can use the Google Maps API if we need to. And to do that I'm just going to type pod Google Maps, and any other type of library or API, if you know after you have the name, we can just install it by pod, then single quotes with the library or API name, and that can be found in the documentation. Okay, last but not least, we need to write our source. So to do that, we are going to write source and in single quotes https://github.com/specs.git in the single quote. Let's go ahead and save and exit this. Alright, now we can install the pod file into our project. So we're just going to type pod install. We can see right there it is installing our Google Maps, and boom, so pod installation complete. 1 of 1 is installed. Perfect. So also a big note is right here in this text, we are going to use only this example API or project name .xcode workspace file instead of our regular project file. So from now on we will only use this workspace file, and we can ignore these other pod files in here. Okay, let's go ahead and load up these files. It'll let it index. We'll go to our view controller, and right here at the top here, let's let this finish. Okay, so now to see if it works, we're just going to type import, and we should, oh, there it is. So Google Maps pops up right away, and then in our class we can go ahead and implement all the Google Maps API methods now that we have the library installed. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.